things you should know about your e-bike. Number 1, do not throttle up hills. The legal amount for an e-bike in Canada is 500 watts, and 500 watt motors do not like going up British Columbia hills. We like to say around here, if it's hard for you, it's hard for your bike. So use the pedal assist to go up hills. Number 2, did you know that there is a proper way to charge your battery? To charge your battery, you want to plug into the battery first and then into the wall. When unplugging, do these steps in reverse. Charging properly helps avoid arcing, popping fuses, or in an unlikely event, it could damage the BMS. It is unlikely to happen, but with my luck, I'd be the one person this would happen to. So remember, whenever plugging in and out of the battery, make sure that there is no live electricity connected. Number 3, don't charge your battery after every ride. Your battery only has a certain amount of charges in its lifespan, depending on its size. Let's say, for example, the battery has 500 charges in its lifespan. Every time I go out for a ride, come back and charge maybe 10%, go out for a ride again, come back, charge that 10% again. Now let's say I do this 7 times a week, I am now down to 493 charges. Instead, keep in mind how far you go on your battery and charge only when it gets down. Number 4, lube your chain. This one can be an easy one to forget. It's super easy. A good tip for you is to put your bike in a high gear, sneak a piece of cardboard under there, spray and pedal backwards for 4 times. Then it is really important to wipe all the excess off. Number 5, store your battery properly. If you're putting your bike in storage for a while and won't be riding it for the next several months, do not make these mistakes. Store your battery at 75% or at 3 bars. Don't leave your battery sitting on charge. Bring your battery out of the cold during the winter time. Keep it around room temperature and your battery will thank you for it. And that's 5 things you should know about your e-bike. Thank you so much for watching.